Yeah.
Check it out.
The perfect beer for stepping outside for some old school fun.
Let's do this. Yeah.
What?
She's like, are you down for anything? I'm like, of course. Just give me a beer.
I know, right?
You don't know what's going on, but whoa. What's this all about? My goodness.
This is Pac-Man!
You are Pac-Man.
3, 2, 1.
What in the world?
Yeah, Riley!
No. Solid won it all day. I love this life. What is going on?